Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHABTACHARJE1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called restrain and the problem of overpopulation. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called some ideal brahmacharins. This topic, and the name of the topic is Sri Hanuman, friends. Okay. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic about Sri Hanuman. Okay. Sri Hanuman was born of Anjana from Pavana. So Swami Sivananda is telling that Sri Hanuman was born of Anjana from Pavana. The wind god, he was named as Hanuman after the name of the city Hanuman over which his maternal uncle Parthi Surya ruled. So Swami Sivananda is telling that he got Hanuma. So his father was wind god and he got the name Hanuman from where his maternal uncle Parthi Surya ruled the city and the name of that city was Hanuman. Hanuman body was as hard as stone. So this is the thing which we all of us know that Hanuman body was as hard as a stone. So Anjana named his Vajranga. So Anjana used to call him Vajranga. He is also known by the name of Mahavir or Magist hero. So Swami Sivananda is telling that Hanuman was also known by the name of Mahavir, that is the Magist hero, that is the mightiest hero, because he exhibited several heroic feats, because he done very much heroic feats and heroic work, right, which other person cannot do. His other name are Bala Bhima and Maruti. So Hanuman is also known as Bala Bhima and also Maruti. The world has not yet seen and yet not see in the future also. So the world have not seen a person like Hanuman and is not going to see in the future also, friends. Okay. A mighty hero like Sri Hanuman during his lifetime, he worked wonder and exhibited superhuman feat, strength and valor. So Hanuman was a superhero who was like a superman, superhuman, and he feat and straight the many type of valor, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. He left, he has left him a name which as longer as the world lasts. So Hanuman have given a name which will last in the world as long as this world is going to be at up to that moment of time. Shri Hanuman is also going to be into picture, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Will continue to wide a mighty influence over the mind of million of people. So Hanuman is going to give a mighty influence over the mind of the people, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Hanuman is one of the seven Chiranjeevis. So Hanuman is one of the seven Chiranjeevis. So Chiranjeevi is basically a person, friend, who never dies, right? Up to the moment this world is going to be, Hanuman is also going to be. He is the only learned scholar who knows 9 Vyakrans or science of grammar. So Hanuman is only the learned scholar who known the 9 Vyakrans or the science of grammar, friends. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. He learned the Shastras from the sun god. So Hanuman learned all the Shastras from the sun god, from Surya Narayan. He is the personification of Brahmacharya. So Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman is the personification of the Brahmacharya. He is the wisest of wise. So here Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman is the wisest of the wise, means he is the most wise person. the strongest of the strong and the bravest of the brave. So Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman is the strongest of strong person and the bravest of brave person. He is the Shakti or energy of Rudra. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that Hanuman is the Shakti or the energy of Rudra. He who meditates on Hanuman and repeat his name attains power, strength, glory, prosperity and success in his life. So here Swami Sivananda is telling a person who meditates on Hanuman and he attained power, prosperity, glory, prosperity and success in life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Hanuman is worshipped in all part of India, particularly in Maharashtra. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that Hanuman is worshipped in all part of India, particularly in Maharashtra. Hanuman had the power to assume any form. He liked to swell his body to an enormous extent to reduce it to the length of a thumbnail. So here Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman have a great power. He could enlarge his body like a mountain and even he could shorten his body like a thumbnail also, friends. So this much power Hanuman had. This Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. His strength was superhuman. He was the terror of the Rakshasas or demons. So Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman power was superhuman and he was the terror of Rakshasas and the demon. He was well versed in the four Vedas and other scared books. So Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman was well versed in the four Vedas and the other scared books. His valor, wisdom, knowledge of the scripture and superhuman strength attracted everybody. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling that his wisdom, scripture, superhuman strength attracted everybody and who came near him. He was extraordinarily skilled and welfare. So Swami Sivananda is telling Hanuman was extraordinarily skilled and the welfare, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Hanuman was the chosen messenger, warrior, and the servant of Sri Rama. So here Hanuman was the chosen warrior, and also he was the servant of Sri Rama. He was a votary and the devotee of Lord Rama. So Hanuman was also a very big devotee of Lord Rama. Rama was his Rama was his all in all. So Sri Rama was all of Hanuman. He lived to serve Rama. So Hanuman, the main purpose of life of Hanuman was to serve Rama. He lived in Rama. So Hanuman lived in Rama. He lived for Rama. So Hanuman lived for Rama. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. He was a minister and intimate friend of Sugriva. So Hanuman was also a minister and he also was an intimate friend of Sugriva. Hanuman was born on the morning of the 8th of the lunar month. So Hanuman was born on the morning of the 8th of the lunar month. Chaitra. So Chaitra. On the most blessed day, Tuesday, from his very birth. So Hanuman was born on Tuesday on his very birth. Hanuman exhibited extraordinary physical strength and worked many miracles. So Hanuman exhibited extraordinary miracles and he worked on many miracles, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. When he was a child, he jumped up at the sun and caught hold of him to eat. So when Hanuman was a child, he jumped on the sun and he caught hold of to eat. All the god were very much in trouble. So after this happened, that all the god were 33 crore god were very much in trouble, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. They came with folded hands to the child and humbly entered him to release the sun. So all the gods came to Hanuman or to child and said that they folded their hands and said, you they release the sun god, right? The child set free the sun at their request. So that child Hanuman, they leave sun at the request of all the gods. A rishi pronounced a curse on Hanuman for his wrong action, that he would remain unconscious of his great strength and power till he meet Sri Rama and served him with devotion. So a rishi muni have given a curse to Sri Hanuman that up to the moment you don't meet your guru Sri Rama, you would be forgetting all of your powers and you would remain unconscious. Hanuman saw Sri Rama for the first time in Kishkinda. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling that Hanuman saw Rama for the first time in Kishkinda. Sri Rama and Lakshmana came there in the course of their search for Sita, whom Ravana had carried away. Swami Sivananda ji is telling that Rama and Lakshmana have came in Kishkinda in search of Sita Maya, Sita Ma, who Ravan have carried away. At that point of time, Hanuman saw first time to Sri Rama and Sri Lakshmana. As soon as Hanuman beheld Sri Rama, he became quite conscious of his own strength and power. So as soon as Hanuman saw Sri Rama, he became quite conscious of his strength and power. Hanuman burned the whole of Lanka and brought news of Sita to Rama. So after that, Hanuman burned the full Lanka and brought the news of Sita Maya, Ma Sita, to Rama. In the great war between Rama and Ravana, Hanuman killed many heroes of Rakshas army. So in the great war with Ravana and Hanuman, so Hanuman killed many Rakshasas of the Lanka's army. He did many superhuman acts. So Hanuman was a person who did many superhuman acts, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Carrying a big mountain and other great activity were nothing for Hanuman. So carrying a very big mountain and the great activity were nothing for the Hanuman, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic. All those were due to the power of Brahmacharya. So friends, last but not the least, Hanuman would able to do all these things because only of the power of the Brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. When the great war was over, Vibhishana was installed on the throne of Lanka. So here Swami Svanandaji is telling that when the great war was over, the Vibhishana was installed on the throne of Lanka. The time of banishment was over. Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Sita and the Hanuman sat on the Pushpaka Vimana or aeroplane and reach Ayodhya in time. So after the this thing event was over, Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Sita and Hanuman sat on the Pushpaka Viman and came in Ayodhya on time. The coronation ceremony of Lord Rama was celebrated with great elect and pomp. So the coronation ceremony of Sri Ram was celebrated with great elect and pomp. Sita presented a necklace of pearls to Hanuman. So Sita gifted a necklace of pearls to Hanuman. Glory of Hanuman, the blessed devotee of Lord Ram. So in the glory of Hanuman, the blessed devotee of Lord Ram. So Hanuman is said as the best devotee of Lord Ram. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Glory to Sri Anjanya, the mightiest hero, unwanted warrior and learned brahmachari. So glory of Sri Anjana, that was the unwanted and they learned brahmachari. The like of whom the world has not yet seen and will not see in all time to come. So like of him that world have not seen and world is not going to see up to the moment it is going to come. May we derive inspiration from Hanuman's ideal life of brahmacharya. So in this way we need to take the inspiration from the Hanuman's ideal life of brahmacharya. May his blessing be upon you all. Let us sing his glory. So may the Hanuman's blessing be on us and let all of us sing this glory, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Jaya Siya Ram, Jaya Jaya Siya Ram, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Jaya Hanuman, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Jai Hanuman, Jai Jai Sita Ram ki Jai, bolo Hanuman ki, Ram Lakshmana Janki Jai, bolo Hanuman ki, Anjana Veera Hanumanta Sura Vayu Kumara Vanara Dhira. So friends, this today's topic Sri Hanuman came to an end, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the concept called the topic called Sri Lakshmana, friends. Okay, so friends, This brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.